What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. Make sure y'all go check out my new music video that I just dropped on my music channel, King Hussle X1M. Camp with me. Go like, share, comment, subscribe, run the views, them comments, and them likes up. We'll be dropping a lot of new music real soon, man. New videos. So make sure y'all subscribe, hit the notification bell. So when I do drop, y'all be notified. Y'all know what's going on because I do a lot of freebies and giveaways from my music videos. And you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all subscribe. And with that being said, man, what's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle. And yes, this is the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Also, make sure you follow me on my Twitch, King Hussle Live. I do all my freebies and giveaways from those YouTube channels and that Twitch. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so you won't miss out on nothing. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for. All right. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. Hey, let's get this thing started. Hey, what it do, my real King Hustle fans, my real Hustle Nation Empire family members, and we are back at it again with the gems, back at it again with the sauce, back at it again with the information that's gonna turn you into a boss. So you tired of being a zero? You ready to be a family hero? Listen up, take a seat, get your notepad and get your pen, because you already know when I drop them videos and y'all get them notifications, it's gonna be some information that's gonna help you win. All right. And in today's video, we will talk about auto primary trade lines. Yes, auto primary trade lines. And today I'm gonna give you a place that's offering auto primary trade lines with no docs. Yes, no documentations, and they're working with people with bad credit. So basically, you almost automatically approve. So today we're gonna talk about a place called Global Lending Services that's giving people auto loans for giving auto loans so they can get cars, and they are CPN friendly. All right, so we're gonna be talking about auto primary trade lines, refinancing auto loans, and where to go to get a auto loan, and who works with CPNs. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the gems that's gonna help you and make you win. All right, so when it comes to auto loans, there's a lot of people out there that doesn't understand auto loans. There's a lot of people out there that doesn't understand how credit is managed or credit is calculated. So when it comes to getting an auto loan, there's different tiers. There's tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. So the first tier, so if you're a first tier credit person, if you never had an auto primary trade line, you're not going to be able to get finance no more than $40,000-$50,000. So when people be like, oh, CPNs, you can only get a car finance for $40,000-$50,000. That's why. So it's tier 1. So anybody who's never financed a car, you're at tier 1. So I don't think you're going to go finance a $100,000 car and never financed a car before. Get a Lamborghini or these expensive cars. It doesn't work like that. So make sure you guys understand that. If you never financed a car, you're at tier 1. So people finance cars. People need cars. People go to different places. So people go to these different car lots and they try to finance cars. And 9 times out of 10, majority of the people go through the banks that the car lots offer. So auto loans is one of the main primary trade lines that you need on your credit report to have a good credit profile. And a lot of people don't understand that. It's part of your credit mixture. You need credit cards, you need mortgage loans, you need auto loans, you need installment loans, you need lines of credit, you need all these things, right? So a lot of people think just because they have good credit that they can do anything and everything with their credit, which is not true. You need these different primary trade lines in order to do good things or great things or get major funding. So people look to finance cars. So they go to different lots, they look online and look in different places. And they go to the lot, they apply for the car, and they go to the bank that the approves them for the auto loan. Not understanding about interest rates, not understanding about anything like this, because 9 times out of 10, the interest rate is going to be very high. So people don't understand that there's loopholes. And loopholes meaning that you can refinance anything that you are financing, meaning that you can get better rates and cheaper monthly payments. And also will report to your credit report as a paid off whatever trade line that you have. It might be a mortgage, auto, credit card, you name it, right? So there are some places that are CPN friendly. There are some places that are not CPN friendly when it comes to auto loans. And this is the thing. A lot of people, when I say CPN friendly, I mean CPN, not pre-built CPNs. A lot of people try to get cars with pre-built CPNs, meaning that they're using somebody else's identity. So when they go, you get this car, apply for this car using that person's social security number and using their information on the ID. That's where identity theft comes in at, right? So that's why a lot of times you see people on YouTube cop cam videos getting arrested at car dealerships, getting cars, because the information that they're using is somebody's actual information, and you're using somebody else's credit profile, acting as if you're them. So when people get pre-built CPNs and try to get auto loans, that's fraud. So that's why majority of the time you see them go to jail. Well, all the time you see them going to jail. So then people create CPNs, which they find numbers that have not been issued. They try merge it, build a credit profile on it, and they start utilizing that credit profile. And understanding about the different tiers, they say, okay, let me start maneuvering this credit profile. So they get secure credit cards. They get all these different credit builder loans and things to start building the credit on that credit profile. And this is not a pre-built CPN. This is a CPN, a credit profile number, right? So once they start building the credit, now they're able to get different credit cards, loans unsecured now because they built the credit profile and they got 3 credit scores through the credit bureau. They're not tri-merged because tri-merged, 3 credit bureaus. So people get auto loans and then they make payments for a couple months. They might make payments for 3 months to 6 months. And then they refinance, meaning that the payment, when they refinance it, they're going to get cheaper APR percentage, which means their payment is going to be cheaper. And it's going to report to their credit report as a paid off auto primary trade line, which will improve their credit report, which will get them out of tier 1. Because if a paid off auto primary trade line is reported to your credit report, that means you pay that off. So now you can get higher loans, higher auto loans with your credit profile. So there's a lot of places out here that offer those type of options. There's a lot of places out here that offer, and when you refinance, you also, depending on the bank or lender that you refinance with, or you getting your loan through, you have the option to make no payments for 30 to 45 days, depending on the lender. So you can go finance a car today and have 45 days to make payments. So you might have a whole month and 2 weeks to make a payment, your next payment. So a lot of people miss out on this opportunity because they don't know about these different banks. They don't do their research. They just go off with the first thing somebody offers them. And today we're going to be talking about a bank that does offer bad credit, almost 99% approval rating, and they are CPN friendly. And I know all this because I got along with them. So I'm going to know, and I'm going to show you everything after we go through the website and break down everything. But they're helping people out. CPN friendly, bad credit, almost 99% approval rate, decent APRs, right? So today we are going to be talking about global lending services. All right, so global lending, GLS Auto, global lending services. So accessing affordable credit to secure reliable transportation can be a game changer for most people and their families. All right. So, with nearly 1/3 of all customers not having access to prime credit, getting a loan can be challenging and expensive. GLS was born from an idea that everyone deserves an unbiased opportunity to get a car loan with a decision in a matter of sessions. So, in just a decade, we have been named fastest growing company 7 times by INC, so magazine, and built an inspiring corporation culture in place to work. All right, so their vision It's a division in the world where everyone has access to affordable credit, a lifeline in everyday life. So our mission is just talk about their mission, their values. Like I said, real time decision making and empowering by harnessing the latest in data science, AI, alternative data sources, and lending edge technology. We have built the most advanced decision modeling to accurately predict credit risk. So 100% automated, unbiased decision. So more loans at the best rates possible. Facts, true. Worldwide class customer service, true. So if you are looking to get an auto loan, you want decent rates, you have bad credit, and you want to have almost 99% approval rate with them, go through Global Lending Services, and they are CPN friendly. All right, so if you ever going to finance a car, you need a bank to go through, and you got bad credit, and you don't got documentations. Also, documentations, you're not going to need documentations with them. All right, so no documentations, bad credit approved. Auto primary trade line, you can go through Global Lending Services, and they are CPN friendly. All right, and the website is it'll pop up when y'all Google it. So Global Lending Services. Now people ask me, well, how do you know they giving out auto, they CPN friendly and this, that, and so make sure I cover up all that. I'm just gonna cover up the van. So right here, y'all see that global. I'm trying to cover up the. Hold on, y'all. All right, so Global Lending Services right there, and you all see the numbers right there, right? So I know because I I'm working with them now. So basically $38,000. How much the monthly payment of the car note or the car note to be? And y'all do see this up to date, you know what I'm saying? The dates on there. Y'all see the dates. And they helping people out, man. CPN friendly. CPN friendly. So basically, yeah. At 17.20%, that's pretty decent. Long date, y'all see that? Long date. September 22, 2025. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? For the, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I know because I'm working with them right now myself. So make sure if you anybody out there trying to get any cars, got bad credit profiles, credit profile numbers, aka CPNs, go check them out. They helping people with bad credit, no documentations, up to $40,000, $50,000. And they do offer 45-day no payment. So once you do get approved and get your car, you got 45 days to make payments until you payments is due. Because like I said, it says on here, the loan date was September 22nd, and the due date for the first payment was December 9th, September 22nd through 10/20, right? So the first payment was on the 4th yesterday for, you know what I'm saying? So you get 45 days until you make payments, which is great. Then after you make a couple payments for a couple months, you can refinance and then report to your credit report as a paid off auto primary trade line. You have cheaper rates and you'll be in a new tier, which will help you start getting higher limit loans for different cars. All right, so make sure you guys are checking out Global Lending Services. They helping out people with bad credit, no documentations, auto loans, auto primary trade line, CPN friendly. Go check them out and see what they can do for you. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers out there, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke. Let's get to work. FaceTime one-on-one limited gems are $1,000, but for limited time only, I am doing it for 500. Yes, 500 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the 500 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. All right, no screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions, and please do not yell me. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the crypto tour in person limited gems, 3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money me person. Make sure y'all book y'all seat on the month-long mentorship, 2,500, 30 days. Anything you need help with, let's get to work. Let's elevate and grow together. Make sure y'all check out my vendor platforms on Telegram and the Potato App Millionaire Network. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, women, gamers, streamers, and content creators. We're going to do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, travel network, and having fun. Any cameraman or women in Houston, Texas, hit me up on my IG. Let's push out this content and run up a bag. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the notification bell on my YouTube channels and my Twitch. Make sure y'all follow me on my new IG, King Hussle X1.2, for more free sauce, free methods, and information that's going to turn you into a boss. And make sure you check out the crypto world because it's changing people's lives. Make sure y'all check out my music channel, King Hussle X1M, my latest mixtape that I just dropped, Hussle and Flow. And I just dropped a new music video, Camp With Me, that played in the beginning of the video. And I will be dropping the outro of the video, a little snippet. So make sure y'all go like, share, comment, subscribe, run them views, them comments, and them likes up, because I'm about to be dropping a lot of music, a lot of fire, a lot of motivation music, a lot of fun music, scam music, whatever music you want to call it. It's all entertainment purposes, and we're going to have fun and run it up. So with that being said, I'll see you at the next lesson, video, or live. Peace.